Sir, one doubt which I have was we have already measure names and measure values in which are predefined in the uh, sample superstore.
Okay.
So we have that right in dimensions and measures.
Exactly. See, the thing is,
Yeah.
once you load the data into the Tableau,
Okay.
Tableau will create a default fields, the measure names and the measure values.
So
So
it will defaultly do it.
yeah, what we can't edit that. We can't create any calculation fields also on the measure names and measure values.
Okay. If we want to add anything as well, we can't. We will not be able to add.
Add means, I mean, suppose if you
Then,
add a new measure, then automatically that field comes under the measure names and the measure values.
oh, okay.
So we no need to create for the, we no need to do the manually. The thing is, we
Okay.
can use measure names and measure values fields in our views, but not in a
Okay.
calculation.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, okay,
Okay.
today we'll see by using the parameter, how we can implement the, what we called this one, a global filtering. Exactly how it will useful. Okay. Ranjit, can you, I will give the control to you. Uh, you can provide the control, your screen, make
Yeah. Sure.
enter. Yes. Please let me know once you get the presenter.
Yeah. You'll be able to see, sir.
Yeah, I got Babu's meeting.
And keyboard and mouse.
I will request you. Go here, right click, request keyboard and mouse control. Yeah, I requested Ranjit.
Sir, I haven't got it.
Okay, once again, start your screen. This one, Ranjit, the Tableau.
I haven't opened Tableau, sir.
Yeah, open it. I'm saying.
Okay. Okay.
If I do the organizer, yes. Ranjit, now you are the organizer. I think you can give the mouse control. Right click on my name and check it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Please click on my name in the go-to meeting and right click on there. Make organizer, make presenter. No, it's not showing for now. Ranjit and webcam request. Okay, Ranjit, we'll do one thing. Start the Tableau. Start Tableau.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's opening, right? See,
Yeah.
as of now, when we work with the filters, the filter can work for the maximum the data source level only. That means what are the sheets are using the data source, the filter can apply for those sheets only. Just let us think,
Yeah.
we have the multiple data sources are there, and we created the multiple sheets on the data sources. There is a common field in all the data sources. Let us think, in in sample superstore there is a region data, region is field, region dimension is there. Suppose if I go for a coffee chain, there also one more dimension is there, a regions. Like that, in multiple data sources there is a common field. So in one of the dashboard we are showing the sheets which are coming from the multiple data sources. I want a common filter to all the sheets. I don't go for, suppose, if I use a normal filter, that means if I place the region as a filter into the dimension shell, in a filter shell, that is applicable for only those sheets only. That means the sheets which are connected to the same data source. But our requirement is that filter should apply for all these sheets. Okay. So that time what we can do by using the parameter, we can do it. That means we call as the parameter will act as a global filter. Okay, Ranjit.
Okay, sir.
So now what I'm going to do now, first here, okay, now create a new sheet, Ranjit. Create new sheet. Drag and drop the customer name in the row shelf. Okay. The next, drag and drop the sales measure into the columns. Sort the data in a descending order by sales. Very good. And displaying the labels also fine.
Sir, it's a bit slow.
Okay, no problem.
I haven't restarted it for a few days.
Okay. Why it's not displaying the labels? Okay.
It's
Good.
taking time.
Yeah, now it came. So here in the sheet 17, we are using the data source is a sample superstore data source, right? Now
Yeah.
go to the new sheet, Ranjit. Okay. You have only the superstore, and what are the sample data sources you have? Old
All
indicators. Huh?
indicators.
Okay, connect it. Old indicators. We'll see there is a region is there or not. Yes,
Yeah, we have
we
region.
have the region. Now just display the country. Okay, create a geographical map based on the country. Good. Now these many countries we have the data. We'll go for the here what we can show the population. Go to population measure. In the measure there is a folder called population. Ranjit, click on the population, Ranjit. See, in the measures folder, there is a population. In measures
Yes, sir.
measures window, there is a population folder. Now click on that population folder.
Just a minute. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll go for the place birth rate into the size and color, both the places.
Okay.
And size. Now we are showing for a symbol map.
Yeah.
1 second, Ranjit. Remove the birth rate from the colors. We'll go for the region wise. We'll show the colors in a region based on the region dimension. Place it into colors. Good. How many region? Oh, here the regions are different. Huh? Then this data source is not suitable for our requirement. Okay, we'll do one thing, Ranjit. Go to the sheet 17. Okay. right click on sample superstore data source, duplicate. Now go to the new data, new sheet. Okay, sheet 19, right? Now drag and drop the, now that means the earlier data source is different, this data source is different. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a new sheet. Now create a same kind of chart, Kishore, Ranjit.
Okay,
It
sir.
means the customer wise. Click on customer folder, drag and drop into customer name, sales, and profit. We'll show the profit also
Profit
here.
as well.
Yeah, profit also. Okay. Now see, in sheet 17 is connected to the sample superstore. Sheet 19 is connected to the sample superstore copy.
Copy.
Now add region as a filter. And same thing, go for the 17 and add region as a filter. Fine. Now we'll create a dashboard to display the 17 and 19 both are in the dashboard. Go to dashboard. The dashboard size should be automatic, Ranjit.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Automatic. Drag and drop 17, 19. See, both are showing the two filters, right? One is for the sheet 17, one is for the sheet 19. First, uncheck all the values from the first filter. It's applying only for the 17. Now check all. Go to second filter and change it. So this filter is applying for the 19. Now user has a concern, boss, why you are displaying the two filters? Both are the same only. The filter name is a region. The sheet 17 and 19 both are working for the different filters. I want to see a single filter should work for the both the sheets. Okay. So what we can do by using the field filter, that is not possible. So we are going to create a parameter on our region field. That means when we are creating a parameter on a specific field, first we should right click on a dimension and do it. Go to the 17. Okay, Ranjit. Now right click on the
Yes.
region dimension. Create, go to create parameter. Please remember this one. When we are creating a parameter on a dimension, suppose we have the multiple data sources. First we have to check in which field have the common values plus more values. So, okay, when we are creating a parameter on a particular field, we'll check first, we need to check the which field contain the common values and an extra value. If all the data sources have the common values, there is no extra, we can create a parameter on any field. Suppose if the any of the data source contain the any of the data source field contain more values, we'll create a parameter on that field. Okay, so currently here both are have the same number of dimension members: central, east, south, west. Now click OK. So once we create a parameter, the parameter comes under the parameters window. We created a parameter only, but we haven't defined any relation to the parameter into the our actual dimension. Now what I'm going to do, we'll create a calculation field to enable the relation between to the data source and the parameter. Create calculated field. Now give the field name, suppose whatever, region selector. Next go to the formula window. A region parameter equal to region. Click apply. Okay. Now remove the region field from the filter shelf. Add that calculation field into filters, Ranjit. Select true. Click OK. Place the region field in a color so we can easily identify which region we are showing. See, currently we are displaying the central region. Why displaying the central? We haven't selected central, right?
Yeah, sir.
So the thing
Yes, sir.
is, in our region parameter, the default value is showing the central. By using parameter, we can select only the single value. We can't select the multiple values. Now I want to see the parameter control in my view. Right click on the region parameter. Show parameter control. Now see in the drop down we can select. Now select the south regions, east, good. Now the data is changing, right? Yes,
Yeah.
Now we need to do the same thing in the sheet 19 also. So what we can do, right click on the region selector calculation field, not here in the dimensions window.
Okay.
Copy, go to the sheet 19, right click on in the dimensions data window, paste here.
Anywhere, sir.
Anywhere, just right click and paste. The field automatically came here. Now remove the region filter from the filter shelf. Place a region field in colors. Good. Now region selector into the filter shelf. Condition true. Click apply. Okay. See now here also it's showing the customers in the east region. Right?
Yeah.
Now go to the
Yeah.
dashboard 3, Ranjit. Now we can see how the parameters is working properly or not in the both the sheets. Remove both these regions. I don't want these indicators. Right click, hide, or remove from dashboard. Remove from dashboard. This one also. Okay. We need the parameter control into the view, right? Now go to the analysis, parameters, region parameter. Okay, it's not displaying the color legends, right? Both are showing the different
Yeah.
colors. For the easy to understand, we'll show the color legends also. Select sheet 17, 17 Ranjit. Not here, in the dashboard only, select sheet 17.
Okay. Okay.
Analysis, legends, color legend. Okay, reason came. Now drag and drop that into the below this sheet 17. We can easily understand this legend is related to the 17th. No, no, no. Now we have to drag after the
Okay.
selection only. Drag it below the 17. Fine. Now select the sheet 19 and do the same thing. Go to analysis,
Yeah.
legends, color legend. Place that one also into the below the sheet. See, when we are creating this kind of filter, Ranjit, both the places should be the same color. It looks very easy to understand the users. Okay, but we don't have
Yeah.
that much time to do this. Now select the filter
Yeah.
called South. Good, both the places are shown in the South region. Suppose Central, right? So that is
Yeah.
the use of the a parameter in this situation. So the parameter can act as a global filter. Now sheet 17 is connected to the sample superstore, sheet 19 is connected to the sample superstore copy data source. Correct, Ranjit?
Yeah, sir.
Mitadas, clear?
Yes, yes.
Good. Okay. Now we'll go for the, okay, this is the one thing. Next we'll go for the, as of now, we worked for the views, the dimensions and measures are fixed. Correct?
Yeah.
Now we are going to do the dimensions and measures also the dynamic. It should be the user control. If the user select the customer name and the sales, the view display the customer name wise sales. If user select customer name and profit, customer name wise profit. Have the user given the some list of dimensions and the list of measures. I want to see these dimensions and these measures only. Okay. So now go to the new sheet, Ranjit. Okay, so what we can do now, my requirement is I'm going to show the category, subcategory, customer name should be the user control, these dimensions, and coming to the measure wise, profit, sales, quantity, these are all the measures. It means 3 dimensions and 3 measures. Okay, so first we have to create a parameter, create parameter.
Just a minute, sir. It got stuck.
Oh,
So
so
name of the parameter.
yeah, name of the parameter is dimensions. Data type is string. And the next one is list, not an all. List, right? We are going to give some specific list of dimension. Type the name. First one is the customer name. Next one, category. Subcategory. Okay, 3 dimensions. Click OK. Just we created a parameter. Now we are going to give the relation between to the parameter and our data source. Create a calculated field. Select dimension or the dimensions. Give the name. In formula, case, call our parameter called, what is that? Dimensions, right? Dimensions. Ranjit, we should change the field name. Tableau won't allow the same names.
Okay.
There, in the field name, not here. Name
Just a
of the
minute.
field, Ranjit.
It got stuck, sir.
Ah,
What can I give, sir?
oh, if you give the space also no issue, but we'll get the confusion.
Okay.
It's better to give the select dimension.
Okay.
Fine. Now go to the formula window. Call the parameter called, what is the parameter? Dimensions, space, when, single quotes, customer name. It's a case sensitive, Ranjit.
Okay.
How we given in the parameter list, here also it should, here also the same. Customer name. So that means when I select customer name in parameter, what I want to display the customer names. Then come outside, then space, then customer name field. Next, when, next line, when category in a single quotes,
Then category.
then category.
Same for subcategory, sir.
No, I'm not going to do the for the again when class. Two things are done, right? The next I will go for the else subcategory field, Ranjit. No need to go for this one.
Sorry, sir.
Directly we can call a
Sorry, sir.
subcategory. Now we need to end the
End.
calculation, right? Next line, end it. Click apply. Okay. Now place the selected dimension into the row shelf. Okay, by default it's showing the customer names, right? Why
Yeah.
always the parameter will consider the first value in the parameters list is a default value. Right click on the dimensions parameter, parameters. Ranjit,
Just a minute, sir.
right click on that,
Yeah, sir.
show parameter control. Select a category here.
Just a minute, sir. Yeah, sir.
Select category. Now it's showing the category wise, right?
Furnish.
If I select the subcategory, subcategory. Good. Whatever the dimension we selected, the dimension related values only Tableau is showing here. That means now the dimensions are dynamic. It's in a user control. The user can select any dimension in that list. Right? Now shall we do the same thing for the measures also? Create a parameter. Measure data type string
Yes.
list
List.
sales profit quantity. That's it. Click apply and OK. Now create a calculated field. Now write the formula. Write down, Ranjit.
Yeah,
Just
writing, sir.
now, just now we written for the dimensions, right? The same thing for the measures also.
Yeah.
Case
Yes.
measures parameter when sales value not a field sales then
Then.
sales measure else
Then. Correct, else, sir.
else only the two values, right? If you have the simple Ranjit,
Yeah, yeah.
when you have the multiple
Yeah.
values, if else if one or true or
Okay.
false, will go for the else
Okay.
profit.
Okay.
Sorry, quantity also there, right? Sorry.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm
Yeah.
asking.
When profit single quotes Ranjit,
Okay.
when profit P caps profit, then profit measure, else quantity, and
Yes, sir.
click apply and OK. Now drag and drop that field, that calculate field into the column shelf. Measures display parameter.
Yes, sir.
Now what is displaying currently? The sales or profit? We don't know.
Yeah.
Right click on the measures parameter. Measures parameter. Show parameter control. It's showing the sales.
Yeah.
Click on profit. It's showing profit wise. Select a quantity. Now change the dimension. Category wise quantity. Select customer wise quantity. Good. Right. Now the dimensions and measures are both are into the user control. Now just place cursor on the mark. What is the tooltip? Select a dimension. display parameter. What is this? I want to see if it is a customer, just customer name is Adam Hart. If it is a category furniture. The same thing below also it should display, right? By default, the Tableau will consider the field name and the field value. Now there also, the tooltip also we are going to do the dynamic automatically. Whatever the value is selected in a parameter, the same value should display into the here also. Go to tooltip. Now remove the select dimension part. Not the value, Ranjit. The name before that.
Yes, sir. So tell me.
This one, Ranjit, not the value. The cell. That is the value.
This one.
Ranjit. Yeah. See the static text we are going to delete. Delete. Yeah. Go to insert.
Insert.
Yeah. Parameters dot dimension.
This one.
Yes. Now do the same thing for the second one also. Insert. Parameters.
Parameter.
Exactly. Click OK.
Yeah.
Now check your mouse over. Customer name and quantity. Change the measure parameter is sales.
Yeah.
Customer name and the sales. Suppose dimension should be, suppose select the dimension is category. It will show the category by sales. Category technology, sales, furniture, sales. Good. So everything is here dynamic. Now, shall we go to this? Shall we display the title also? Title for the sheet?
Yeah.
Now, go to worksheet. Worksheet tab. Sorry.
New worksheet, sir.
Worksheet tab.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah. You are using Mac, Ranjit. It should not.
Actually, I haven't restarted it for a few days, sir. So it got stuck actually. And it has got few updates as well. I haven't done it. So that's the problem actually.
Mitadas?
It's not responding.
Hello?
Yes.
Clear, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I think I need to restart this. It's high time.
Oh. Okay. Then I'm going to stop the class for today. Okay. What about tomorrow, guys? Tomorrow, Sunday?
Yeah, for me it's okay.
Ranjit, do you have any plans?
So can I confirm in evening, sir?
Okay. Okay, Mitadas. The same thing I will do. Okay. I will confirm in the evening, today evening. Okay,
Yeah.
guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sir, sorry for trouble. This
No problem.
regarding this laptop.
No problem, Ranjit.
Yes, sir.